Hello from sunny Central Florida. It is May 30th, 2026. It's been a while since I've done a garden update video. Since our hard winter when I lost almost everything. But right now we're in the beginning of our rainy season. It's been raining every day, so you can not even tell I lost anything. So I'm just going to walk around and I want to get everything on video for us so I have a record of this day. So enjoy. Blue butterfly pea. Wild cherry tomatoes, they grow everywhere. Peanuts. Little calendulums. Aren't they beautiful? Just beautiful. Marigold. More peanuts, marigold, milkweed. Dragon fruit. A new moringa. Rosemary. Dragon fruit. Bananas. And it has started raining. Beans, sunflower, milkweed. There are some blackberries, black beans, black-eyed peas, and sweet potatoes. Stokes aster. Isn't it beautiful? No, that's not Stokes aster. I'm sorry, this one is the Stokes aster. Isn't this just gorgeous? Just beautiful. I think this may be, I don't know, I forgot. I've started so many flowers from seeds. More sweet potatoes. There was beans in here, but and I forget what this is. Papayas that I thought died came back, and I got more, twice as many as I had. Bananas. It's a Florida native. I forget what they're called. And my mini food forest. Mostly sweet potatoes and Puerto Rican black beans. Puerto Rican black beans, you will see, have gone crazy. So I planted a few, not knowing that from what I planted last year, I shouldn't have planted any, because from now on I can tell they're going to grow non-stop here. Puerto Rican black beans can be invasive, and for me it's a good thing because I eat a lot of beans, and I plan to grow our year's supply of black beans and other beans too, but This is the Puerto Rican black bean. I can't contain them. It's a trellis there. They're starting to go up there. This is all sweet potato, but there are black beans in it as well. It's burying my blackberries, which there are tons of blackberries in there, but the Puerto Rican black beans. Yeah. The birds have blessed me with sunflowers. A broken ladder serving as a trellis. I can't even walk in there anymore. There's even some cranberry hibiscus that popped up. I did not plant it. More sunflowers. Blessings from the birds. I feed the birds, they give me sunflowers. They drop them in all the right places. There are pineapples buried in there. This is all Puerto Rican black bean. I just had to put this trellis up for them. Used to be able to walk all the way in there. I have ginger. I don't remember this tree I planted. There's also moringa. Right there's moringa. Ginger, and there's also a bunch of beautyberry. My cherry tree, Barbados cherry tree, came back to life. Although it's small compared to how it used to be, it's came back to life and it's growing fast. More beans. Lots more beans. Yeah. That big mound back there is beautyberries. Let me real quick pan around here. This is my shampoo ginger. Beautiful. And this is my newest addition back here in the chicken yard. I started another banana circle. This one is more protected now from the north winds for in the winter. I'm hoping these do a little better. But I have to chicken proof these, so I have to keep a lot of sticks and stuff around so the chickens do not dig them up, because they will. That is the chicken garden there. There's sweet potatoes, there's cucamelons, cherry tomatoes, basil, all kinds of stuff growing in there where they can go and help themselves anytime they want. It's garden for them. More banana, papaya, mulberry, got mulberry. That there is beautyberry. It's already twice as big as it was last year, and if you look, the black beans have even made it out to here. I can't contain these Puerto Rican black beans. My moringa is beautiful, but yeah, I can't contain them. And this is all sweet potato. I didn't plant any of this. I did not plant any of this sweet potato, and I only planted a couple of the black beans. The beautyberry just grows year after year. I am incorporating more flowers. There's Stokes aster, there's calendulum. They're just starting to flower. Look at these little guys. I'm not sure what these are. Wow, look at that big thing. Ooh. Papayas, pomegranate, It's a papaya. There's a lot of life flying around in here right now. A ton of papaya. This is all on one papaya that I thought was dead from the winter, and it grew back like 4 more. Those are all black beans, and I have this trellis for them to go up, and they're starting to go up. Olive tree, and here's my first pigeon pea tree, so I will have pigeon pea beans. I also have some black-eyed peas growing along with my black beans. More ginger. There's ginger wild throughout. Pineapples, bananas, flowers, and the garden. Yeah. Yeah, go grow something, especially this day and age. It's really not hard. Recycle things. You don't have to spend a lot of money. Milkweed. Happy gardening.